Hello, welcome.
Let's know how to find direction. No need of compass, no use of any device. Which direction you are going? How to know direction without any device. No use of compass. No use of other device. No problem. Let's move forward to find its solution. First of all, just stand facing to sun rays direction. Then look straight forward. In front of you there you are looking is the east direction. Then, think just back side of you, it's the west. Always remember your left-hand side, it is the north direction. Never forget, it is your left-hand side. Finally, your right-hand side it is south direction. Remember, it's the natural and organic way to identify direction. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks for giving time to watch this video.